So a pool park just delivered a top-of-the-line Dimension 1 spa, and you're uncertain about startup and chemical maintenance. Well, fret not. I'm your pool park spa care professional, Ben, here to tell you everything you need to know about chemical maintenance as it regards to your Dimension 1 hot tub. Once your spa is full of water, wired, and turned on, the first thing the water is going to touch as it moves through the spa is the vision cartridge. This small purple device full of silver rests on top of your filter, purifies your water in the same way that pirates in the days of yore would keep silver in their water barrels to purify their water out at sea. This will reduce the amount of chemicals you'll be needing to add to your spa on a regular basis. Just remember that vision cartridges don't last forever and need to be replaced every 6 months. Most Dimension 1 spas come fitted with an ozone generator. After the water flows through your vision cartridge and your filter, it gets infused with ozone for further sanitization. Ozone scrubs your water clean with the same process used by bottled water companies to purify your drinking water. The ozone generator and the vision cartridge will work in tandem to minimize chemical maintenance by lowering the need to rely on caustic chemicals such as chlorine or bromine. And if you have a reflection series spa or a base series spa, the ozone generator will even run while you're relaxing in it. As clean as you think you are, your hot tub's going to get a little dirty. For this reason, you should use Renew. Renew is a non-chlorine shock that's going to get out all of those oils, lotions, and sunscreens that get in your hot tub. About a half a cap full of Renew after each and every use is sure to reanimate your water. Some pesky contaminants may survive the ozonating process. Thus, you should add SaniSpa, which is a chlorine treatment to be added every 5 to 7 days, or as needed based on the frequency of your spa use. Because Dimension 1 has a vision cartridge and an ozonator, you really only need your chlorine level to be around 1 part per million, as opposed to other spas which need to be around 3 to 5 parts per million because it requires more chemicals for proper sanitization. Oh, hi. Heavy metal is great for music, but not for hot tubs, which is why I want to use 1 ounce of Ruston scale after you initially fill the hot tub. Remember, if you're using a vision cartridge, make sure to wait 3 days after adding the Ruston scale to install the cartridge to make sure it's operating in pristine condition. Your filter does a lot of heavy lifting to keep out bacteria and other contaminants. Therefore, it's important to stay on top of your filter's condition. Remember to soak and rinse your filter every 2 to 4 months using a filter cleaner to revive and revitalize your filtration power. Filters should be replaced every 12 to 18 months to maintain peak filter freshness. You're going to want to drain and refill your spa with fresh water every 6 months. If you don't have an ozonator and a vision cartridge, you're going to need to drain and refill it more frequently, around every 3 to 4 months. So that's really about it for basic startup and maintenance. However, there are some separate chemicals that we sent for some common issues that may arise. If your water gets bubble bath like foam, use foam gun, and don't overuse it. A little bit goes a long way. And if you get cloudy or hazy water, use sparkle. So how do you know what maintenance chemicals to add? It's simple, test strips. It's a quick and easy way to identify the important levels in your hot tub, such as sanitizer and pH. All you have to do is dunk it, wait 15 seconds, and then compare it to the color chart on the back. And remember, when in doubt, just go off the sense test. If it looks good, it smells good, and it feels good, then it is good. And for more information, check out the video we did on test strips. Owning a Dimension 1 spa is like owning a car. Once you get the basic maintenance down, you just sit back and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, leave a like. And if you got any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. What are you doing? The video's over. Go enjoy your spa. Go on.
Yep. Filters should be replaced every 12 to 18 months to maintain peak